Here we're going to look at something that you don't specifically need to know for the GCSE examination. It's called the ambiguous case of the sine rule. The word ambiguous, you probably know from English, means something that has two meanings. It's quite possible for information given about a triangle to lead us to two possible answers. So here we're going to find two triangles which fit with the information given. We can see the triangle here with sides 9 centimeters and 12 centimeters given and an angle of 36 degrees. If we call this angle A, then this side is A. This side is B and this angle B. If we now collect our information in our table, A and A, B and B, and C and C, then A is 12 centimeters and A we're trying to find. B is 9 centimeters and B is 36 degrees. We know both B's, so we know that we're going to use the sine rule. We're using the sine rule to find an angle, so angle on top. Sine A over A is equal to sine B over B. Substituting in, we have sine A over 12 is equal to the sine of 36 degrees divided by 9. Sine A then is equal to the sine of 36 degrees divided by 9 and then multiplied by 12. Calculating, we get sine A is equal to 0.783 and so on. We want the angle A, so we do inverse sine, shift sign on our calculator, of 0.7837 and so on. And this gives us that A is equal to 51.6 degrees, correct to three significant figures. However, it's worth noting here that 180 take away 51.6 is 128.4 degrees. If you now try on your calculator the sine of 51.6 degrees and the sine of 128.4 degrees, you'll find these give exactly the same value, and therefore the answer to A could be either 51.6 degrees or 128.4 degrees. In this case, this leads us to two possible triangles. We could have A as 51.6. We're given the angle of 36 degrees, and this angle here then would be 180. Take away these two values, which is 92.4 degrees. The other possibility is that this angle is 128.4 degrees. The 36 degrees is given to us. In this case, the remaining angle would be 15.6 degrees. We can use this, together with the other information given, the 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter sides, to find the remaining side in each of the possible triangles. Note we don't always get an ambiguous case. Sometimes the second angle, 180 take away the one we find, added to an existing angle, is already more than 180 degrees, in which case there is only one possible solution. However, as we see here, there can on occasion be two possible solutions for the information given. Remember, you don't actually need to know this for the GCSE exam.